Hello, welcome back. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. We'll be learning about qualities of a good broody hen. And again, the second part, we will be teaching you some few tips you have to know before the adoption process. And the third part is a live video of how I successfully introduced 15 chicks to one broody hen. Chick adoption, that's how to successfully introduce chicks, day-old chicks, to a broody hen. Now the focus is on a few key steps. That's choosing the right time, introduce them in a safe space, and monitor for signs of acceptance or rejection. You also have to ensure the chicks are healthy and have access to food and water. From experience, broody hen can averagely care for around 8 to 12 chicks, but the actual number can vary based on the hens and chick size. They provide hunting, survival skills, warmth, protection, instructions, teaching, and other things. Depending on the time of the year, the hen will care for the chicks for around 5 to 8 weeks before returning to the flock. Now, let's carefully note this, because these are the qualities of a good broody hen. So if you want to choose a good broody hen, you should look out for these qualities, because they offer these qualities. The first one is their size matters, because larger hens can handle more chicks than smaller breeds. Again, check their broody instincts. A good broody hen will naturally accept and care for chicks, often even fostering chicks of different species. Also, temperature control. A good broody hen again should provide warmth, a crucial factor in chick survival according to studies. Also, protection. A good broody hen will fiercely protect their chicks from predators and inclement weather. Again, teaching. They teach their chicks how to forage and scavenge for food, worms, and other stuff. Also, their fostering abilities. A good broody hen can foster chicks that were not even hatched under them. Again, they should have the ability of raising other type of birds, because in the wild, broody hens can survive and raise chicks of other poultry like turkeys, quail, waterfowl, etc. Also, so now let's look at some vital tips you have to ensure, because these tips have to be seen before the adoption process, or you have to know these tips before the adoption process to be able to have a successful adoption of chicks to a broody hen. To successfully give chicks to a broody hen, you have to make sure that these tips are adhered to. 1. Choose the right time, because the best time to introduce chicks is at night under the cover of darkness, as the hen may be more receptive to new chicks when the sun is down, though it can be done at any time of the day. Number 2, introduce in a safe space. Place the chicks under the hen's body, preferably within a brooder box or a brooding coop, as I call it, to ensure they are protected from predators and other chickens. Number 3, monitor for acceptance. Listen for the hen sound. If she accepts the chicks, she will make a short, droning sound. If she rejects them, she will make a long, high-pitched squeal sound. Number 4, provide food and water. Ensure the chicks have access to fresh chick starter feed and water, and gently help them find the food and water source, especially during the first few days, which is very crucial. Number 5, monitor for rejection. If the hen rejects the chicks, you may need to take them back to the original brooder and try again another time, possibly with a different hen. Number 6, be patient and persistent. It may take a few days or few hours for the hen to fully accept the chicks, but you have to be patient and continue to observe their interactions, which is very crucial. Number 7, observe the chicks' behavior. Ensure the chicks are healthy, warm, and interacting with the hen. If they seem stressed cold, adjust the environment, or consult an expert to help you out. Number 8, you must consider multiple hens. If you have multiple brooding hens, you can try introducing the chicks to different hens to see which one is most likely to accept them. Number 9, use a brooder coop, as I call it. A brooder coop with a soft bedding and a heat source can help create a safe, comfortable environment for both the hen and the chicks. If you want to know how this brooder is being constructed, check my previous videos, and at the end of this video too, we will bring it up so you can check it up and make one for yourself. It's very simple and easy. We call it the brooder coop because it serves a lot of purposes for brooding and also for other purposes. The 10th and the last point is that you have to supervise the first few days. Keep a close eye on the hen and chicks during the first few days to ensure everyone is getting along and that the chicks are healthy. So these are my top 10 tips to keep you going. I hope it's been helpful. If you have questions, please leave a comment below. And if you try giving a day-old chick to a brooding hen, please tell us about it in the comment section. We would be glad to hear from you and see how far it goes. Our little friends are just a week old. Let's check up on them. Oh, they are making a lot of progress. So it has successfully adapted the chicks. This has always been Nimak Farms. Thanks for watching. Kindly share this video to benefit other family and friends. Like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.